Hey everyone, I'm Jerred Z. I'm here to help you have more fun with your camera, take more pictures, and just enjoy photography more. That's my entire reason. Not really to make more money, even though that would be very cool, right? Making some money doing photography is super cool. I'm here mostly to try to get people to just enjoy their cameras more. Lately, I've been shooting a lot with my Fuji X100v. And if you haven't used one of these, you don't have to go and buy a Fuji, although they're pretty cool. They kind of allow you to be pretty creative with their JPEGs. And so this thing called Jpeg recipes allows Fuji users to dial in a bunch of different settings. So you can do this chrome effect, you could do contrast adjustments, you could do white balance shifts, all this stuff, and then you bake it into a JPEG. And it's very similar to kind of going out with a specific roll of film. So back in the day, photographers would choose a roll of film because of how it would look. You know, a certain black and white film stock would give us a certain look. It was grainier, smoother, all those different things, had more contrast. These JPEG recipes give us the ability to do that with the Fuji, and it's really exciting. It's really a lot of fun to do. So lately I've been using one that I just called for a while black and white test. I was very creative. But I was out taking pictures and I was thinking about shooting more in black and white because I really don't have a lot of experience shooting black and white. And so I dialed in some settings I thought sounded pretty cool, just completely randomly. And luckily, over the last month or so, I've really enjoyed the photos that are coming from that JPEG recipe. So what I'm gonna do is show you some of the photos. I'll put the JPEG recipe below. So check out the photos and then try the recipe out. I would love to see your work. So put a link down to your Instagram channel or wherever you share your photography. I'd love to see your work using this JPEG recipe. That would be really cool. Also go to my website. I'm gonna have a blog where I have the full res photos from the recipe, including the recipe, and you can see all my other stuff. Sign up for my newsletter, click subscribe here if you the whole YouTube subscribe thing, and enjoy the photos from the recipe.